Welcome back, I'm Rachel, and in this video we're going to go over what a 5-number summary is. A 5-number summary is a simple statistical tool used to describe a set of data. To explain what it is, we're going to use an example involving beetles, specifically the number of beetles we have in different samples. Let's say we have 10 different beetle samples, and each sample has a different number of beetles. The number of beetles in each of these samples are as follows: 3, 8, 5, 12, 7, 6, 10, 9, 4, and 11. The 5-number summary consists of 5 different numbers. Firstly, the minimum, which is the smallest number in a dataset. Secondly, the first quartile, Q1, which is the median of the lower half of the dataset. Thirdly, the median, which is the middle number of the dataset. Fourthly, the third quartile, Q3, which is the median of the upper half of the dataset. And lastly, the fifth number is the maximum, which is the largest number in the dataset. To start, we have to sort the numbers in the dataset in ascending order. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now that the numbers are in order, we can find both the minimum number and the maximum number of this dataset. The minimum value is the first number, which is 3. The maximum value is the last number, which is 12. Next, we can find the median, which is the middle number of the dataset. Since we have 10 numbers, we need to average the fifth and sixth numbers in our ordered list. The fifth number is 7 and the sixth number is 8. To find the median, we average them. To do this, we need to add 7 and 8 together, then divide by 2. This gives us 7.5. So the median is 7.5. Next, we need to find the first quartile Q1 and the third quartile Q3. Q1 is the median of the lower half of the data. The lower half of the data is 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The median here is 5, so Q1 is 5. Q3 is the median of the upper half of the data. The upper half of the data is 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. The median here is 10, so Q3 is 10. Now let's summarize the 5-number summary for our beetle samples. The minimum is 3 beetles. The first quartile is 5 beetles. The median is 7.5 beetles. The third quartile is 10 beetles. And the maximum is 12 beetles. The 5-number summary gives us a clear view of the range and distribution of our data. You can use it to quickly see that most of our beetle samples fall between 5 and 10 beetles with a minimum of 3 and a maximum of 12. This is a useful tool for summarizing and understanding the spread of any dataset. And that concludes this video on the 5-number summary. I hope you found it helpful.
Thank you for watching. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe and check out more of my videos.